Welcome to episode 153 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you a two-finger tremolo. In an earlier lesson, I showed the three-finger tremolo, which is more standard from flamenco and classical playing. This is a two-finger tremolo, which may be easier to use. And the concept here is to play one note with your middle and index fingers alternating while you're playing other notes with your thumb. So going through a C chord, that's the basic idea. And it's really nice to take it through a whole progression. Let's start with C again. And again, you're just alternating middle and index. You can start with your index or you can start with your middle. It doesn't matter, whatever is more comfortable to you. I usually start with my middle. I find that a little easier to use. And then just picking through a C chord while you're alternating, middle and index finger. Then a G. Move your top note to the D on the B string, it's the 3rd fret. And an A minor chord. And now I'm playing the C on the B string, 1st fret. And then maybe an F. That same note. Again, C. It's a really lovely sound, and the main thing to do is to get it as even as possible. You might even try practicing on its own, and just your middle and index finger, getting a nice big tone out of it, and very even, very regular, and the same volume between the both, and then add your bass note. Like that. It's lovely for maybe a solo section in a song, or an introduction, or even through a verse, or creating a totally instrumental piece. Again, it's pretty simple in concept, but it takes practice. Just alternating with your middle and index fingers and using your thumb to play through a chord. I hope this is useful to you. Let me know any questions or comments you might have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.